fish! Hello, Mr. Turtle. Turtle. Wow! Look, a dolphin friend. Hi there. You swim so fast.
Let's show them what a real boat can do.
Time to sink that orange!
Papa, the ocean looks so magical this morning. Papa, if we could make a submarine with this, we could explore the whole ocean.
Let's do it! Today, we will build the most beautiful submarine ever.
Look at all the colorful fish! Hello, Mr. Turtle. Turtle. Wow! Look, a dolphin friend. Hi there. You swim so fast. Look at them, Papa. Everyone is only watching their silly orange submarine.
Let's show them what a real boat can do.
Time to sink that orange!
Papa, they hit me on purpose. Everything is broken.
It's all right, son. We are here together. A broken dream is often just the beginning of a much greater discovery. My brave little hero. Look, son! I've brought the most advanced parts from the research center. This one will be the strongest of all. Let's get to work.
Wow, it's so bright. It's finally ready. All systems are perfect, Papa. Let's explore the deep sea. Help! Help! Someone please save us! Hang on! I've got you! Don't be afraid! Thank you, little hero. You saved our lives.
We were wrong to be jealous. We are very sorry. Can you forgive us?
True strength isn't about beating others. It's about helping them. I forgive you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you again in a new great adventure.
Wow! Look how much the river has grown, Papa. Everything is so wet. If we use these coconuts to build a rescue boat, we can help everyone in the flood.
Let's do it! Today, we'll build a boat that can help everyone.
Look, Papa! It's our very own coconut rescue boat. Look! Look!
What a beautiful and clever boat!
Break their boat! I can't stand them getting all the praise!
Papa, they hit me with their speedboat. My rescue boat is all in pieces.
I'm so sorry, my brave little hero. It's okay, we'll fix this.
Those who don't give up, their dreams never sink. We will build an even stronger boat, son.
We need the strongest parts for our new mission. Let's find them, son.
This one will be strong enough to withstand any wave. Keep pulling, son.
Catch the rope! We're here to pull you to safety! Crane locked! Lifting you up now! You're safe! Hooray! Our little hero has saved them! Thank you, Coconut Rescue Team!
We were wrong to break your boat. We are so sorry. Please forgive us.
Friendship and helping others, these are the greatest power.
If you liked the video,
like,
share, and subscribe. See you again for a new adventure.